to both teams. We're going to get started. I believe this is the losers finals. Losers bracket finals. Sorry, you're not losers. Okay. Round 12. Toss-up number 1. Chemistry. Short answer. Rank the following 3 benzene substituents from least to most activating towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. 1. Methoxy. 2. Chloro. 3. Nitro. Krish.
Nitro, chloro, methoxy.
That is correct. Visual bonus, number 1. Chemistry, short answer for Dulles. There are several criteria for determining the aromaticity of an organic compound. Depicted are 3 organic compounds labeled A, B, C, and 3 classifications labeled 1, 2, 3. Pair the compounds with their corresponding classifications.
3 should be non-aromatic.
On, right?
Yeah. 1 is aromatic. Wait, I'm pretty sure it's just right what it is right now.
So make sure you say it as like A is 1, B is 2, C is 3.
Okay.
And yeah, I
so
agree with that.
we have a lot of time though, so with that, make sure.
I'll recount 1, 2, 3.
5 seconds.
A is 1, B is 2, C is 3.
That is correct. 10 points. The next toss-up is number 2, math, multiple choice. A, B, C, D is a convex cyclic quadrilateral with circumcircle omega, such that the center of omega is inside A, B, C, D. The tangents of omega at A and B meet at a point P. If angle APB equals 40 degrees, what is the measure of angle ACB in degrees? W, 40, X, 70, Y, 100, Z, 140. Jeffrey.
70.
70 is correct. Bonus for Huskies, math, short answer. The quadratic f of x has a leading coefficient 3 and is tangent to the line y equals 2x plus 5 at x equals 4. What is the sum of the coefficients of f of x?
Okay, 6 times 4, 24 minus, 20 minus 22x, and 13, 48 minus 88, negative 40.
5 seconds.
Defer to Jeffrey.
The answer, 34, final.
Yeah, 34 is correct. 10 points to Huskies. Next toss-up is number 3, biology, short answer. What sequence is largely responsible for the graded regulation of termination in trip operons? Jay.
Shine-Dalgarno sequence.
That's incorrect. Judson?
The Terminator?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. Bonus for Huskies, biology, multiple choice. Which of the following most accurately describes the iodide trap of the thyroid gland? W, a uniporter that transports iodide into the thyroid gland. X, an antiporter that transports chloride out and iodide into the thyroid gland. Y, a symporter that transports sodium ions and iodide into the thyroid gland. Z, a symporter that transports potassium ions and iodide into the thyroid gland.
Not Z. Probably not W. If I had to guess, I would guess X actually. Wait just a second. Yeah, X.
X final.
Sorry, that's incorrect. The correct answer is Y. Next toss-up is number 4, Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following solutions to the Einstein-Maxwell field equations corresponds to the gravitational field of a rotating, charged, spherically symmetric, massive body? W, Schwarzschild metric. X, Kerr metric. Y, Reisner-Nordstrom metric. Z, Kerr-Newman metric. Interrupt, Naveen.
Z?
Yeah, Z is correct. Bonus for Dulles, Earth and space, short answer. The resolution of the missing baryon problem is attributed to the presence of baryonic matter in what diffuse webs of plasma between galaxies?
Is it filaments, like galactic filaments?
I don't wait. It said baryonic matter, right? I
Yeah.
don't know. Whatever you think, Naveen.
I think it's filaments, yeah.
Filaments and sheets.
5 seconds.
Okay, galactic filaments.
Sorry, that's incorrect. The correct answer is warm, hot, intergalactic medium, or WIM.
Oh, what the heck?
Next question is toss-up number 5, physics, multiple choice. Which of the following forces can be expressed as the gradient of a potential function? W, drag, X, Lorentz force, Y, Coriolis force, Z, centrifugal force. Jeffrey.
X.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Krish?
Z.
Yeah, Z is correct. Bonus for Delis,
Nice.
physics, short answer. Daniel designs a model rocket that weighs 100 grams and fills it with 630 grams of propellant. When the rocket is launched, the propellant is expelled downwards at 30 meters per second relative to the rocket. At the end of the 2-second thrust phase, how fast is the rocket traveling to the nearest meter per second and accounting for gravity?
Oh shoot.
Remember this was like weird. It was like F equals VI times like natural log of 630 over 10 or something.
What?
630 over 100. So what? Hey, maybe what's natural log of 6.3?
5 seconds.
Defer to me.
Defer to Nabil.
1.7.
630.
Sorry, time was called. The correct answer was 40 meters per second. Yeah, time was a little cut out there, but it's
Oh, did you not hear me?
just at the beginning it was cut out.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
but yeah. Okay, next toss-up is number 6, energy, multiple choice. Scientists at Oregon National Lab are studying high-temperature minerals of the Earth's mantle. One of the most common such minerals, bridgemanite, is a magnesium silicate perovskite with chemical formula MgSiO3. Bridgemanite is a high-temperature mineral of which of the following mineral groups? W, garnet, X, pyroxene, Y, amphibole, Z, olivine. Marissa?
Z.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Naveen?
Y.
It's also incorrect. The correct answer is X, pyroxene. The next toss-up is question number 7, chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following functional groups cannot be hydrolyzed in acid conditions to give a ketone or aldehyde? W, nitro, X, cyanohydrin, Y, acetyl, Z, benzyl ether.
Y is acetal, by the way.
This is not a. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Yeah, Krish.
W.
It's incorrect. Judson.
X.
Also incorrect. The correct answer is benzyl ether. Oh, acetal. Very interesting. Okay, next question is also number 8, math, short answer. A disk has radius 2. A unit disk internally tangent to the bigger disk is removed. How far is the new center of mass from the original center of mass? Ethan.
1/2.
That's incorrect. Jeffrey?
1/3.
Yeah, 1/3 is correct. Bonus for Huskies is a visual bonus, math, short answer. A, B, C, and D are consecutive vertices on a regular polygon with side length 1 and n sides, as shown in the diagram. Rays A, B, and DC are extended to meet at point X. What is the limit as n goes to infinity of n times the area of triangle BXC?
Okay, it's something to pi. 1 over.
Defer to Jeffrey.
I think it's 1/8 probably. I don't know.
Alright.
Okay, let's go with that. 1/8 final. 1/8 final.
Sorry, that's incorrect. The correct answer is pi over 2.
Oh.
Next toss-up is question number 9, biology, multiple choice. Which of the following most closely resembles the ATP to ADP ratio in animal cells? W, 100 to 1, X, 10 to 1, Y, 1 to 1, Z, 1 to 10. Judson.
X.
Yeah, X is correct. Bonus for Huskies, biology, short answer. A scientist performs a fruit fly test cross with 3 genes involved. The genes are located 10 map units, and 20 map units away from each other. Given that a double crossover only occurred in 1 of 200 offspring, what is the positive interference?
Positive interference.
Yeah.
Fuck is positive interference?
I don't know. You
Um.
want to go like 1/2 or something?
Wait, just let
What? You probably 1/2.
1/2
1/2
final.
final.
1/2 is correct.
Fuck.
All right. Next toss-up is question number 10, Earth and space, multiple choice. When observing a thin section of albite under a microscope, you see repeated parallel striations in the crystal. Which type of twinning is seen in the sample? W. Polysynthetic twinning. X. Penetration twinning. Y. Cyclic twinning. Z. Japan law twinning. Marissa?
W.
W is correct. Visual bonus for Huskies, Earth and space, short answer. Shown in the figure is an image of the moon's surface. Answer the following 2 questions about the image. 1. What type of feature is labeled A? 2. Given that B is the large crater, C is the smaller crater inside B, and D is the hill to the right of crater B, order features B, C, and D in the order in which they formed.
Wait. Which was a larger one? B or C? Okay.
E is the big one.
B is large. Wait, does a hill form 4
Probably
after?
B, C, and then D, I think.
Wait, Richard, do you know
And
one?
A is Rills.
Okay, go ahead.
1 is Lunar Rills, and the order is B, C, D.
Sorry, that's incorrect. 1 is a rill, but the order is D, B, C.
Okay.
Next toss-up is question number 11, physics, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true regarding a series RLC circuit driven by an AC voltage source. 1. The resonant frequency is equal to the square root of the inductance times the capacitance. 2. The current through the resistor is always in phase with the voltage source. 3. The voltage across the inductor leads the voltage across the resistor. Jeffrey.
None.
That's incorrect. Krish.
All.
It's also incorrect. The correct answer is 3 only. All right. Last toss-up of the half is number 12, energy, short answer. Scientists at Brookhaven National Lab use the relativistic heavy ion collider to study possible CPT violation by the antihypertriton. The antihypertriton is the antiparticle of the hypertriton, which is a nucleus formed from a proton, a neutron, and a hyperon. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true about hyperons. 1. Hyperons have non-zero strangeness. 2. Hyperons obey Fermi-Dirac statistics. 3. Hyperons are baryons. Jeffrey?
So
All of them?
All of them is correct. Visual bonus for Huskies, energy, short answer. Shown in the image is the stabilization of a lithium cation via electron donation from 4 CH bonds in a lithium aluminate intermediate being studied at Argonne National Lab. Answer the following 2 questions about the image. 1. This is an analog to what interaction in transition metal organometallic compounds? 2. What is the formal charge of the circled aluminum atom?
So formal charge should be -1, and then I don't know what the analog
Is
to
it like
what interaction.
chelation or something?
Sorry, what?
Is it like chelation? You know the thing with like the
Chelation?
trap
Oh, that
I
might be.
defer to
Yeah,
Justin.
that sounds legit. Okay, so 1 is chelation, 2 is -1, right?
Yeah, go with that.
Marissa?
Final? Or
Defer to Justin.
1 is chelation, 2 is -1. Final.
sorry, that's incorrect. 1 is the agostic interaction, and 2 is -1.
No, 2 is -1.
Oh, that's not what this says. Cool. 2 is -1. Oh, I get it. 2 is -1.
Yeah, you're silly.
Dashes are interesting. Hey, you never know. Okay, we'll have a 2-minute break.